I'm Peter Marbe. I'm a quality control expert here at American Journal Experts, and I'd like to talk about subject-verb agreement across prepositional phrases. Now, subject-verb agreement across prepositional phrases is important because if the subject and verb differ in number, then the reader may not know to which noun the verb is referring. In simple sentences, it's easy to match the number of the subject and the verb. For example, Western blotting was used to compare the samples. Here we have a singular subject, Western blotting, and a singular verb, was used. Because the verb immediately follows the subject, it's easy to match them in number. In a plural sentence, the same holds true. For example, Western blot methods were used to compare the samples. Here, Western blot methods is plural, were used as plural, so it's easy to match the two in number. If any words separate the subject and verb, however, number agreement may be more difficult to maintain. If there's an intervening prepositional phrase, then confusion may arise. You see, a prepositional phrase is just a group of words beginning with a preposition and ending with a noun that's called the object of the preposition. Now, if the prepositional phrase immediately follows the subject of the sentence, it can be difficult to determine the number of the verb. For example, the analysis of the results reveal a significant difference between the groups. Now, in this example, results reveal looks correct. Results is plural, reveal is plural. However, results is the object of the preposition. The subject of the sentence is actually analysis, which is singular. Therefore, the verb needs to match the subject in number. The revision of this sentence then should read, the analysis of the results reveals a significant difference between the groups. Here, the singular analysis matches the singular reveals. Agreement errors often occur when using each as the subject of the sentence before a prepositional phrase. For example, each of the samples were treated with the same dose of antibiotics. Now, at first glance, that looks fine because samples were is a plural construction. But samples is the object of the preposition, and each is the subject of the sentence. Each is singular, therefore the verb needs to be singular as well. We can revise this to read, each of the samples was treated with the same dose of antibiotics. In this example, unless the writer will explain each sample individually, the plural all would actually read better. All the samples were treated with the same dose of antibiotics. Subject-verb agreement across prepositional phrases can be difficult to achieve. So please consider reading Dr. Ben Mudrak's article on our Author Resource Center, where we have a variety of topics on language-related issues.
AJE, how research breaks through.